Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In today's video we are going to talk about onDelete attribute in Odoo. So onDelete attribute in Odoo is used for relational fields which determines the behavior of the reference record if the reference record is deleted. So there are two options available, which is restrict and cascade. So when we use these two options, so we use the restrict option if we want to prevent the deletion of the referenced record if there are any records pointing to it. This ensures data integrity by avoiding orphaned records. So another option is cascade. So cascade option automatically deletes the related records when the reference record is deleted. This is useful for maintaining data cleaning by removing all dependent records. So when we use it, so for example, we have course model and sessions model. Okay, so course and session are in one-to-many relationship. So we have one course and we have multiple sessions against each course. So for example, if you could see here, Odoo 16 technical course have two sessions, which we can see here. For example, if you go to Odoo 16 technical course, so if we want that whenever I delete a course, these sessions should be deleted automatically, I need to use onDelete Cascade. So for example, if I delete this Odoo 16 development course, and let me show you, if I go here and refresh the page, you will see that it did not delete the sessions automatically because we have not yet added the onDelete attribute. So let me go to the PyCharm and let me add it. So here we need to add onDelete equal to and then cascade. Okay, and then we need to restart Odoo service and then upgrade the module. We need to upgrade the module because we have added a property which affects the database. So the module should be upgraded. So after the module upgrade, we will try to delete it, and if we delete it, it will be removed automatically. Okay, so let me go here. So for example, let me try to delete this one. So like here you have two sessions against Odoo 16 technical course. So let me try to delete it. If I delete and if I go here and refresh it, so you see that the two sessions deleted automatically. So this is the benefit and power of onDelete property. And the next thing is restrict. So when we use restrict property, so we use restrict property when we want to prevent the deletion of the child record. So for example, in this case, we have the instructor on the session. So whenever we delete this instructor, we want that we should, like, if it is used in any session, it should give us the warning that you cannot delete it and it is used somewhere. Okay, so let me give you an example. For example, if I go to let me go to contacts and sorry, customers. So is this instructor field has a relation with the raise.partner model. So here we have this instructor which is used. So let me just try to create a new instructor like test because this instructor might be used in some other places, and let me replace it with test. Okay, so we need to check this box for it in order to show up here, and let me search it again like this and save it. Okay, so we need to add a course also here. So we can save it. So now if I delete it, it will be deleted without giving me any warning message. But if I want to restrict it, like for example, if I want that if someone delete this instructor, it should give me, it should not allow me because there are children sessions against this record. So delete onDelete equal to restrict like this. Okay, so restart Odoo service and then upgrade the module. Okay, so the module upgraded. So let me try to delete this partner. So if I delete it, I will get a warning message that the operation cannot be completed and other model requires the record being deleted, if possible archive it. So these are used on foreign keys. So if like it will not allow you to delete this record, but if you remove it from here, and let me just try to save it, and then if I try to delete this, it will allow me to delete because it is not linked with any sessions. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it and if you think this is useful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.